Croque Monsieur, the most famous cheese sandwich of all time. But I want to show you the Croque Madame, and the difference is it's a cheese toastie with a fried egg on top. So in a bowl, I've got some cream. I'll add some ricotta, and I love to use ricotta delicata. It's very fine and creamy. So we'll add a generous spoonful or so. Into that, we'll add some mustard and a pinch of nutmeg and give everything a whisk. There you go. It actually looks like bechamel cheese. I have some bread that's 2 to 3 days old. I've buttered both sides, so we'll start with the base of each, and we'll press that down, and then we can fill it with our fake bechamel made with delicious ricotta, and we'll spoon that over. Spread that out. Some Parmesan cheese, just a sprinkle, and some ham. So ham off the bone. We just need 1 slice per Croque Madame. And the second one. The lids go on top, press down on it. Heat goes on, just a medium heat, not too hot. And I've got another pan, press down on it, and we're gonna cook it until it's golden on each side. Oh, look at this, nice and toasty. But to finish it off, we've got a few more things to do. So another spoonful of our ricotta, spread that over the top as if it was the bechamel, and more cheese. Now this is smoked scaramozza. It's just like mozzarella, but it has that smokiness that I absolutely love. This is a special treat. So go all out, add lots of cheese to the top, and this goes under the grill until it's melted and golden. Look at this cheesy, oozy goodness. Take one of these off, straight onto a plate, and then a little egg goes on top. That is a Croque Madame done in the juzzy way. We've got to cut into this straight down the middle. It's going to be cheesy, it's going to be gooey. Oh, look at that. That is the ultimate sandwich.